everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called Let the Sad Thoughts Out by Chris Steed. This is Jake. Jake loves to have lots and lots of fun. He likes to draw pictures, digging holes and kick balls, or play with his toys and jump on his blue trampoline. And sometimes he tries to do them all at once. You can tell when Jake is happy, like when he's wrestling with his big daddy. He has a big smile on his face and as wide as a watermelon. Except his seeds are the teeth, of course, because having seeds for teeth would just be silly. Jake isn't always happy though. Sometimes the things that make him laugh make his daddy yell, and that makes Jake sad. Like the time he kicked the ball inside the house. It bounced off the fridge and went into the fan and knocked a picture off the wall. But it was not a softball, not an outside ball. Jake didn't mean to. Jake tried to redraw the picture, but it didn't work. It was broken forever. Sometimes his mummy makes Jake upset too, like when she turns the TV off in the middle of his favorite show, or his sister when she starts a fight over his cuddle bunny. But most of the time Jake doesn't even know why. He is just sad. That's when the sad monsters come out for a party. They appear inside your head. They sit on the happy thoughts and squish them. At first there were just a few monsters, but the sadder you get, the more monsters begin to appear. That means there's less room for the happy thoughts. So you know what happens? You just get sadder and sadder. Eventually, there are no more happy thoughts for the sad monsters to squish. They start to push and shove and yell and scream and throw things at each other. Imagine all these sad monsters being naughty right inside your head. No wonder how being sad feels so bad. How frustrating. So how do you get these sad monsters outside of your head? You make room for happy thoughts so you can feel joyous again. Well, little Jake has learned a very important trick. He's been practicing because practice makes perfect. And it's a lot easier than you might think. All you have to do is talk to your mom or your dad. It's that easy. You don't even have to know what you want to talk about. As soon as you start trying to explain your sad thoughts, something changes. The sad monsters stop the crazy party and start to get very worried indeed. Each word you speak, the sad monsters come flying out of your mouth. You can't see them because, of course, the monsters are made of thoughts, and thoughts are invisible. But slowly you begin to feel better and better. Eventually, the sad monsters come out, and guess what? You no longer feel sad. It's easy peasy. So the next time you're a little sad, starting the party inside your head. Remember, Jake's very simple, easy to learn trick. Just talk to your mom and dad, or your mom or your dad, and all the sad monsters will start to disappear. And then all the happy thoughts will bounce back into your head. A massive watermelon-sized smile will return to your face. Your mommy and your daddy will give you a big, amazing, awesome cuddle, and you will know everything will be alright. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!